Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now see wetin dey my hand so. Now they see wetin dey my hand so. So today I go review this soup wey dey my hand for una. So I go tell una wetin the soup dey for. Now they see am. My neighbor, they like to dey play loud music. Me sef when I don't finish this review now, I go blast my own self. I go play my own. So to all my old and my new subscribers, thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you for your support. I see people they subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you all for supporting me. Thank you. Without you guys, I will not be here. So thank you all for supporting me. I really appreciate. So without wasting your time, I want to talk about this Fair and White cream and gel. So wetin this Fair and White cream and gel dey for now for if you get brown spots, pigmentation on your face, and you want clear your face for a period of time. No be wetin be say you feel use for long, but the writer say if you use am for like almost, you can use it for how many months? Let me see. 3 to 6 weeks. 3 to 6 weeks. Now if you use am, and it dey dermatological tested. So they don't test them, you know. Dermatologists don't test this tube, and me, I don't test them. So I know what they talk about, because na very nice tube. So this tube, no be tube wey say you fit use to add your cream. Now tube wey say na for face. Now for face alone, no be inside cream, because if you go add them inside your cream, you waste time. Because no be to add inside cream, now to add inside, either if you get face cream, if you add a little bit of inside your face cream, they use them. But the reason why I even bring this to be say this thing they very nice. And the gel, normally before this gel no dey get kojic acid. I just find out say this gel now, they don't add one ingredient to it. It don't get kojic acid. Normally this gel need to get kojic acid, but now I just find out when I read and say they don't get kojic acid inside, and that's very good for people that have brown spots. And I know it's in kojic acid they do. Kojic acid go clear your face, go brighten your face for you. And this one also. So the way we go use them now morning and night. But if you cannot get your hands on both of them, fine. If only this one you get your hands on, only the cream. And this one are the original from Paris. So now the original one from Paris, no be fake, no be dagbo. This one no be dagbo, this one no be scam. So now the good one. So if you want buy, make sure say you buy the original one, you no buy dagbo. So now so make you no buy dagbo, shine your eye well. Look and well. If you want buy, make sure say you buy the original. See the stamp. No buy dagbo. Open your eye if you dey buy am. Make sure say na the original one you buy. So if you want use this, Fair and White, this one are the cream. I read what they do for now. The cream, it say the rich and smooth formula of this Fair and White cream was designed to fight brown patches and to eliminate to enlighten your skin for a bright complexion. For instruction for use on a clear face, your face go don dey clear. Apply Fair and White cream on a dark area. You know, they not say all around your face. You apply it on a dark area. Gently massage till it penetrates. Use morning and evening for optimal results. dark area, they don't say all your face, the dark area where you get them na there you go apply them. You no go apply them all your face. So when you use them like so, you go get good result. And wetin make me dey talk, see this one, the cream dey very long while the gel dey very short. Now the cream it is. So if you no see the gel, if you use only this cream, use them morning and evening. No add them to your lotion. No, if you add them to your lotion, it no go work. Rub am like that. But and if only this one you see, no just rub am morning and evening. They use am only night, so that you know say night you no dey go anywhere again. Use them and it go clear your dark patches and it go give you wetin you want. Now the cream be that. Don't say as e be. Then this one, now the gel. Also the gel now like so the gel be short, e no long. Now like this it be. And this gel, wetin this one also they do. The Fair and White cream gel help to solve pigmentary problem thanks to its very effective brightening ingredient. Your complexion is visible, smooth and clearer. Instruction for use: apply on a clean face to the area to be treated. Apply on a clean face to the area to be treated. The area to the area to be treated. The area where you want to treat. Now may you apply them. Gently massage to make it penetrate. Use morning and evening during 3 to 6 weeks at least. During 3 to 6 weeks. Now you go use them. So now don't say them. And waiting this thing get aqua glycerin. It get castle oil, it get wax, it get celeric, it get kojic acid, it gets citric acid, it gets a lot of good things. It get synthetic wax, it get a lot of good things. And me, I don't use them before, so me I know how it be. So this one, especially this particular one, this gel on. If person fit get the two like this, I just say if you get the two, just buy the two. When you get the two, just buy the two. Then you go see the very effective, especially this gel where you go use them for night, where you need to go anywhere. You go really clear, no be all your face. The place where you know say you dey get that dark spots, the dark areas where you know say you want treat. Now there you go concentrate on, rub and massage until it penetrate on your face. Then you use them, you go sleep, you go bed, you go sleep. You go see say after sometimes that dark area, where it dey dark and any dark patches wey get for your face, the thing go clear your face. And some dey write am sef gel cream brightening treatment. Gel cream brightening treatment. This one also the same thing. This one a cream brightening treatment. It is a treatment. Now treatment for clearing anything wey dey for your face. So I say now I come show now be this. And a cream, this one sef na gel cream. The way say be say now like this it be. It dey white inside. And it dey absorb very quick. You know, say you go come leave your body shine. Also the cream too, the same thing. The cream also the same thing, white. Now the same. Also the same thing. So if you get it too, you go dey very, very nice. Just use it. You go like, and you go come back contact me. And you know they're too expensive like that. The price they very affordable. Now some people say person fit buy, nobody be say they're very expensive. Only the problem I get is say make sure say when you are buying it, you get the original one for Paris. Make sure say now the good one you buy. Shine your eye. If they go market, shine your eye. If you know say you want go buy this Fair and White, shine your eye. And The original one get very nice smell. You no get all those yama yama smell. The smell, oh my God, hulala, very nice smell. As in the smell, they very when you buy the original one, the cream get very nice smell. The gel also. If you get all this kind of kerosene smell, then no say no be better one, better na fake. So be one, shine your eye well. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.